Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Flat Earth Sage. Coming at you. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but lately I've been having problems with my irrigation system. Uh, I would use the soaker hoses, and for a little while the soaker hoses would work, but what I quickly found out is that with the soaker hoses, they always seem to have a problem uh, with holes or tears in the actual hose. And I also didn't really think that it was really doing a whole lot as far as watering went with my plants. So what I decided to go ahead and do was build my own irrigation system out of PVC. And I'd never done this before, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I just wanted to go ahead and quickly show you guys what I got going on here. Ooh, Mexican huckleberry. Good. Now here's what I have set up here. It's a very simple setup. Right here, all PVC. And then I got a PVC swivel attachment right here. Connects directly to the hose. And I got my banana tree, my dwarf blue ice cream banana tree. It hasn't been watered in a while, but it's surprisingly still alive. Still has plenty of life to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the faucet and show you guys how this runs. Now the holes are a little bit bigger in it. Let's see. That I drilled are a little bit bigger in it, so you only have to turn on the faucet a tiny bit. But as you can see, guys, all I simply did was built this little box frame PVC setup and drilled the holes at the bottom. They're not the best looking. I don't know if they're the best looking holes, but they water the plant and they do its intended purpose. And probably gonna put another one like this going across the other way. Try to equally cover the area the best I can. But this is the small scale version of it that I just built. But I am going to be making a way larger size version of this. So if you guys want to actually see me build it and see me make it and set it up, I should have another video up here shortly showing the whole building process. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that for now. Maybe it might inspire one of you guys watching to go ahead and try this out for yourself. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and head out of here. Flat Earth Sage, out.